Yoga is so incredible because it's the place where we actually get to go and feel all the parts of ourselves, where we get to feel inside our body, where we hold emotions and resistance and tension. And it's especially amazing in times of stress and difficulty when we really need a place to feel and to release. And I recorded this to show you what my practice is looking like these days. It's been 12 days of a total kind of chaos in my life when my dad had a stroke in Costa Rica while we were on vacation, and we were in the ICU for 10 days, and we had to fly him to Miami where my mom's sister lives, and he's going to continue his rehab. And just caretaking him and seeing him in this state has been, so sad for me, and it's just been like my world's been turned upside down. And I know he's probably going to watch this video, so don't worry, Dad, I'm okay. And this is why I'm okay. It's because, one, you and Mom have been there for me my whole life, and you've made me a resilient person, and I know that our family can get through anything no matter what. And because I have these practices that allow me to ground, to center, and to move my energy. And last night I was doing a practice kind of like this, where I was, moving a lot of energy, making a lot of noise, making sounds, moaning, sighing, doing my lion's breath, shaking. And I thought, you know what? I always record these videos that are, my face is so serene, and I'm, when I'm teaching my, nice, beautiful yoga voice, and I never show what it actually looks like sometimes in my practice when I'm really, really going for it, when I'm doing my thing. And even though I tell people often when I teach, you can make sounds, you can sigh, you can cry, I never really demo that. So this morning I thought I'm gonna do a practice kind of like I do on my own, and I'm gonna actually share that, which is new for me. So you're gonna see me in this video making big sounds, big movements, shaking, sighing, moaning, feeling. And it's powerful, I think, to share that it's okay to share emotions and to let them flow. And this kind of practice of moving emotion, it's just really powerful, and it's a tool that we can all have in times of stress, because if we bottle up our emotions, we just create tightness in the body. We literally can increase our blood pressure. My mom and I were talking about how she has really low blood pressure, and she's sure it's because she cries really easily, like all the time, and it's like a pressure release valve. Whether it's crying or moaning or sighing or ahhing or shaking, these are all like pressure release valves that let out this stuff that otherwise becomes either chronic pain and tension in the body or literally manifests into disease. So I hope that you can enjoy seeing me in a really real, authentic, raw format here. And to my own family, my dad, don't worry, don't feel sad if you see me that I'm sharing here that I'm emotional. I'm sure you understand it's an emotional time, and I'm strong, and I'm resilient, and I'm able to get through this because I have you guys, I have my family, and I have my body, I have my health, I have my practices. And I know that this experience is actually making me stronger. I actually feel the growth happening right now. I actually feel myself becoming more full in my body, more resilient to future, stresses. I feel something growing in me. I feel my heart growing. I feel my resilience growing, and I feel my ability to relate and to connect to people and to support other people on their healing journey grow. And so I'm actually grateful, so grateful for this experience, and I'm really seeing its value as a growth opportunity, even though I know it pretty much sucks for you, Dad, and it's tough. But actually, even for you, I can see how you are so strong and resilient, and that I actually think when, a little more time passes and you continue to get more of your function back, I think this is going to make you stronger as a person. And I think what I'm mostly feeling about this situation too is that it's making our family stronger, and I feel more connected to you, Dad and Mom, than ever before, and I'm so grateful for that. I love you both. I love you all. Everybody who watches my videos, know that I'm okay, that this has been an incredibly stressful time, but I'm okay. I'm getting through it, and I know that we all can get through things if we have practices that support our resiliency and that support our release of trauma and tension and challenge. I'm thinking about starting a new class. It might be called Yoga for Emotional Release. I was thinking it'd be called Emo Yo, but then I thought, oh God, no, that sounds too much like that horrible genre of music, emo, that's just like annoying people crying. So okay, I won't do that, but anyway, enjoy.